Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's just going to be a really short one this week, so just to let you know what's happening and some other news as well. So it's been a couple of weeks now since we put the offer in on the house in Ireland. They did actually get back to us within a few days to say the offer had been accepted, which is great news. We then went through the process of getting a solicitor, one that they recommended, which they informed us that we needed to get a special number from Ireland called a PPSN. So we got the solicitor to sort that out. It took them roughly about 10 days to sort that out because we've now received that number. So the next stage is we're just waiting for the contract. So hopefully that won't take too long. So also I'd just like to let you all know that I've now started a new YouTube channel called Elfin Homestead, which I hope you guys will all come over and have a look at that channel and subscribe to it, which will be really great, because anything now that's going to be going up about the house in Ireland is all going to be on that channel, because I want to keep it separate from this channel. So this channel is just going to be basically just for travelling around in the motorhome. The other channel is going to be to do with the homestead in Ireland, where we're going to be renovating the cottage and basically doing a little bit of off-grid living. So hopefully you guys will come and join me on that. So that's all I've got to say for this week. I will see you guys on the next one, and if you can, please come and subscribe to my other channel as well. I'll leave the link in the description. So catch you guys in a bit. Bye.